Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, just got down.
Man, and I can't really tell my car. Every time I do get back on my
Nobody cleaning up my radio. There's a whole lot of hills and trash out here. Nobody's cleaning up my radio. Nobody's cleaning up my Coney Ellen radio. There's a whole lot of hills and trash out here. Hello around DX land. Hello around DX land. Trinitron9, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, get down.
Hello around Coney Island. Hello around Coney Island. 1147, not the case trying to reach T. All this cabinet and driver.
Hello 1147, here I come. Hello 1147, here I come. Hello 1147, here I come. 1147, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the afternoon wave. 1147, your Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the afternoon wave. Just got down.
I'm trying to get drumming to y'all. You plug about that many of us.
Take here 1147 with a whole lot of hills and trash in there. Take here 1147 with a whole lot of hills and trash in there. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, just got down.
I don't know. Anybody got me? I read it all around Philadelphia. I had to talk to my radio man when you keyed up.
You do gotta talk to your radio. It is what it is. 1147, you do gotta talk to your radio. It is what it is. 1147, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. 1147, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Break, break, break. Get out of the middle of the water out here in Coney Island. It's rough out here. Let me get out of these deep waters in Coney Island. It's rough out here. Good afternoon in the band. Good afternoon in the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
They got 425. Tell Game Changer. I said, what's up? Hey, 425. Tell my little brother Game Changer. I said, what's up? Hey, 425. Hey, 425. Hey, 425. Go back and tell my little brother Game Changer. I said, what's up? Bye-bye.
Who else gonna get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island? Who else gonna get it back to these deep, deep waters of Coney Island? I said, who else gonna get it back to these deep, deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
It's rough out here in Coney Island. Switchblades in the mix. It's rough in Coney Island. Switchblades up in the mix now. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the afternoon wave. Trinitron9, Coney Island with the afternoon wave. Just got down.
It's too shame to say it. It's too shame. They ain't on key right now on key. It's too shame. They don't want to be shame. Something. They say you can learn a whole language to sit there and read it.
I need somebody to step up to the plate and clean up this Coney Island radio. I need somebody to step up to the plate and clean up my Coney Island radio. That's what's going on right now. I need somebody to step up to the plate and clean up my Coney Island radio. Trinitron9, got down?
Nothing but that modulator smoking in my radio. I'm sitting there cruising on the low side of my number 2 station cab, baby. There's my cousin out there too, man. There's my cousin out there around, Trinitron9 out there also, so near. Cape Cod, Massachusetts somewhere. Take your point here, the game changer, the Buckeyes. Switchblade, number 2 station, bye-bye.
That number 2 station's working. That number 2 station's working. That number 2 station's working. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island just got down.
I ain't gonna key on black flag. Boy, you got that damn helmet down with that 5-tone rocket, boy. You got that damn helmet down. Woo! Take care, boy. The game changer. Welcome to the weekend, Cat, nigga. It's Mother League.
Who else gonna get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island? It's rough out here. Who else gonna get it back to these deep waters of Coney Island? It sure be rough out here. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with the cornbread in his hand. Good down.
I don't know that 591 New Jersey or somebody made it up. Take care, boy, y'all later. On Trinitron9, I said Cape Cod, but that cat nigga's Coney Island. Take care, boy, later. Man, I heard my cousin out there earlier, but I can't hear me anymore. It's rough on my radio. Take care, Switchblade with no condition. Bye-bye.
Take care, Switchblade. Hey, take care, Switchblade. You're making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island. Take care, Switchblade. You're making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Game changer still on the lawn. What's up, Camille? You little sporty ass Camille. Hey, man, I can call you when I want to, because you're not going to see me in Joliet this year. Man.
I need somebody to stand up to the plate and clean up my radio. Switchblade got my ear hole around Coney Island. What y'all gonna do about Switchblade? Switchblade got my ear hole in Coney Island. What y'all gonna do about Switchblade? Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
Take care, baby. Mushroom, Switchblade, baby.
Let me get this thing out of the middle of the road. Let me take my cornbread out of the water. Let me take my cornbread out of the water. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. Deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
But I tell you what, Cat Man, I'm going to try to live, and I'm going to tell you why. I got grandkids, Cat Man. I'm going to live until I die. They won't hold us up off that bridge. Take care of my way, Cat Man. Yeah, hell no, man. I ain't going to go around on a crowd of folks, Cat. Tell me? No doubt about it.
Let me get my cornbread out of the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got all the way down?
Switchblade on the line 2 station, getting down. We might be a little bit